Why is no one talking about this plugin? I'm not even joking. This just changed how I color grade my video. This is Cine Dream and the result is crazy. Look at this, from the flat footage into the cinematic, clean professional look in seconds. No stress, no complicated settings, it's just work. So in this video, I'm going to how I actually use this inside Adobe Premiere to get this exactly look. If you want a faster, better color grading without wasting time, this is for you. Let's get into it. So this is how it is. So I'm going to show you how to apply to your footage, and it's very simple. If you want to see, search Cine Dream, search Cine Dream. When searches, just see and then drag into your footage and see the open control, then you click on it. So this is how it is. Okay, the interface, everything is great. You can just open it strong like this, and you can just forward any parts you just want into see to grade. Okay, so I really love this. It's very dope. And there's the controls. As you can see, you can just choose the input to color profile, okay, and choose your log. So I think this log is upper log. Okay, so see, you can try any of it, anyone you just think is good for you. Okay, and I think this is something serious. I really love it. It's great, powerful to use. So you can see this, and you can see the here. Okay, you can check cine look, and it's going to give you different types of how it's going to look for you. So if you like something to be changed or to change the look, how it's going to be for you, the only thing is that you just make some 1 or 2 touches. Okay, but it's very powerful to give you a straight thing to do. And here too, okay, here's the second control. You can just leave it there, and you can just hold this and plug this here. Okay, so when you plug it, this is how it's going to be, and here you can just open it and see how it's just be. So I really love how this thing just work. Okay, you can just click on the basic and just drag down. Okay, so it's going to help you more, no stressful things to do. Okay, so this is the reason why I really love this plugin. I think this is very great. Cine Dream is very great to use. This doesn't stress too much for you to just go for different softwares, different apps to just use for your color grading and stuff. This one's so simple. It gives you all things, halation, everything is just great for you. So you can just use anything you just want, the contrast, and it's how it just gives. Okay, see feel, and here is going to show you. Okay, let me just come back to this, and it's going to show you the here. When you click on it, it's going to show you the before and after. Okay, and to compare and see how it just work. I really love how it is. Okay, see the bypass. Okay, before and after, and it is really dope to use. So just recommend this plugin. I mean, to you all guys, go for it. It's very dope. It's gonna help you to just win all things you just want. You can see the halation and stuff and all. Okay, it's gonna give you more things to use. Okay, so I really love to use or come up with this. Okay, and it's gonna give you more you like. Okay, you see the grains to see how it just work. It's give you everything 100%. Okay, so let's come here before and the more increase. Okay, it's gonna give you more dope. So I really love how it just work. Okay, so when it comes to this, it's very powerful to use. Cine Dream is very powerful to use. So let me just go back and let's see how it just work. The only thing is that when you're done with it, you can just apply it. It's going to appear here, and that's it. You save it, you move. No stressful thing to use, and it's going to have a lot of things, tools and things you can use to work on it, and it's very so friendly. And I really love how the interface, everything looks professional, and this one gives you a cinematic look. let me tell you the truth, this one is not going to fail you. Trust me, it's very dope. And I don't know why like people don't talk about this, but I just recommend this. And if you want to know more about this, click here and make sure you just click on this video and make sure you just find something great over there. It's going to give you everything you just to know about Cine Dream and those stuff. So guys, see you for the next video. Bye.